So how do you install apps on the iPad with a double click, right? So before we get started, make sure you are subscribed, but let's begin, right? So you've probably seen people just double pressing the side button to confirm the installation of apps. And if you don't have that turned on, you have to open up your settings app like this and then go to the Face ID and passcode section. Obviously, if you have the iPad with Touch ID, then go to the Touch ID and passcode. Make sure that you have your biometrics, like either the fingerprint or face scanned, because it only works with that. And then make sure that the iTunes and App Store has the green toggle turned on for the Face ID features. It basically means that there has to be some kind of like verification process whenever you're downloading apps. Paid or free, doesn't matter. You have to either type in the long Apple ID password, or if you have the Face ID enabled and allowed for App Store, you can also just scan your face, authenticate it that it's really you who's downloading that stuff, and you essentially skip writing down the whole a long password for your Apple ID, and that's like the whole point, right? It just saves time, it's much quicker and easier, and you just double press on the side like that and you can download the apps this way. So as I say, this is the important part. Make sure you do it properly and let me know in the comments below if in case something doesn't work the way that you would expect, right? But at the end of the day, it should, so most definitely subscribe for more tutorials and videos like this one. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.